Hey Theater Mania, I'm Tony Vincent and we are talking about Rocktopia coming to Broadway this March. Rocktopia is the merging of some of the best classical pieces of music with some of the best rock and roll and pop songs that have ever been written.
So it combines your favorites of Tchaikovsky and Mozart and Bach mixed with Heart and Journey and Led Zeppelin.
The commonality between the classical and the classic rock is that you have a visceral reaction when you hear any of these tunes.
Audiences will hear the emotional sweep of classical music combined with the raging fury of rock and roll. It takes that deep pathos of classical music up to a higher level of impact because it has both.
I think there's a way to enjoy the first safe rock concert for a younger person. I think it's also a great way to introduce somebody to a symphony orchestra experience.
So if anybody didn't like Nessendorm or opera before, they're going to like it now.
It's an experience that Broadway has never seen, and you know, it doesn't hurt to have some newness and some rock on a great white way.